If a line of best fit is drawn for each of the 4 languages, which of the following orders the slopes of the 4 lines of best fit from greatest to least? Alright, so let's just start with Italian right here. We'll just say that's going to be our green. So what I would do if this were me on the actual thing, since you don't really have like a color, if you couldn't tell the difference between your lines, if it was something confusing, this problem isn't too bad, but like you can make dash differently, or like dots, straight line, and then like don't do a wavy, but I don't know, just change it up, I guess, go off. So we'll just start with Italian. So your line of best fit would be like through these dots. Alright, so that was Italian, and then we'll just say red for Russia. You know how that goes. So if we were to have like a line of best fit, it would probably be something like that. And then Japanese, we'll say is blue. Oh, let's do yellow. So, okay, so that would be like that, which is a pretty low slope. That's pretty close to 0. So now we have Korean, and we'll do blue for that. So that's going to be like that, which is pretty linear. So now we have to order these slopes from least to greatest. So obviously Italian's going to be your least. This is literally a negative slope, so let's just cross out the ones that don't have Italian at the end. So now we're between these two, and obviously the first difference is between Korea and Japan. So let's look at where our Korea is. Our Korea is this blue line here. So we have like a pretty large slope, but our Japan is going to be this one, which obviously, okay, if we had to isolate these lines, it would look something like this as compared to something like this. So obviously the slope of Korea is going to be greater, so our answer is going to be C.